This DJI Osmo Pocket thing. It is when it is connected to the phone. You see, it's kind of loose. I expect it to break if you will keep using it like that for a while. Yeah, I came across DJI booth, and they have this DJI Osmo Pocket device, which I wanted to check for a long time. Let's look at it now. How it works. You connect it like this with lightning to your iPhone, and hold this button. It goes on, so you start to see it here, and then it launches up automatically, and you can start using it. The picture looks super smooth to me. Check this out. I just move like that. I kind of do like this. There's no shaking whatsoever. Even I do like this. Check it out. It's pretty much will be a straight picture. That's very cool. Oh, my concern is that probably this will eventually break either on the phone or the device itself. You can see how it kind of stays at the angle. You see? But yeah, other than that, I think it's very cool. And what is interesting, I saw so many bloggers right now, they all use this thing already. So you just press button once in order to change the mode on the phone. And then, for example, if you're in a photo, you hit this button, makes a picture. If you switch it to video by pressing one more time, and you just start recording. I'd say I will probably design some kind of 3D accessory to hold phone a bit more securely. But yeah, check it out. It's actually super warm. Like in my hand, it's kind of hot, I would say. It's not burning hot, but I'm not sure. It's I have it like for 30 seconds, and it's already so warm. I'm wondering how it will be after a while. But check it out what it can do. It's quite remarkable. Check it out. And picture is pretty much straight. This is super cool, I would say. Yeah, so first of all, I recommend you to hold the phone and not this Osmo itself, because phone is heavier than the Osmo. And what you can do, actually, you can press on the screen. Let me just... And you see it tracks the person, and then I can just move like that. It's very cool, actually. Check it out. So if you're like recording some interview and you are moving around or unstable, you can create really interesting effects with it. This I definitely like. I think it's a very nice device, you know. I will probably buy one for myself. Yeah, such a nice gadget.
Next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.